Good afternoon, children. Today you have finished the exam based upon the topic P block elements. Let us discuss the paper, that is Unit 33 paper. What is the first question? What is borax bead? Question have been asked that what is a borax bead? We know very well that whenever the borax like the Na2B4O710H2O, it is a hydrated. When it is heated at a high temperature, they are going to lose their water molecule. It means that they are going to be converted into anhydrous. If we are going to take like Na2B4O710H2O, when it is heated at a high temperature, they are going to lose their water molecule. Okay, when they are heated at a high temperature, they are going to lose its water molecule to form what? All the 10 molecules of water are going to be eliminated to form anhydrous, like the Na2B4O7. Na2B4O7, where all water molecules are eliminated. Further on heating, that is a dehydrated mass of Na2B4O7. When they are going to be heated, they can form borax bead as NaBO2. Okay, NaBO2 along with oxide of boron, that is B2O3. Therefore, the correct answer for the 46th question is third answer. For the question number 46, third answer is correct. Next question number 47. Elements of group 14. Elements of group 14 means what? They will be having electronic configuration NS2NP2. They will be having electronic configuration as noble gas with NS2NP2. Noble gas with NS2NP2. It means that the oxidation state can become +2 or it can become it as a +4 also. Therefore, question number 47, the correct answer is second option, which can show +2 and +4 both. Remember here, oxidation state can be decided on the basis of electronic configuration. That too related with the valence electronic configuration. Here in this case, we are having the NS2, carbon 14. Here, 14th group is nothing but what? Carbon family. It is related with carbon family. Electronic configuration can be written as noble gas NS2NP2. Valence electrons are NS2NP2, either +2 or +4 are possible. Therefore, the correct answer for question number 47 is second answer. Second answer. Question number 48. The element which are having maximum and minimum melting point. They said that elements which are having maximum and minimum melting point of what? Group 13 family. They are asking that which are having the high, which are having the low. We know very well that as we are moving down, atomic size are going to be increases. As we are moving down, metallic characters are also going to be increases, but everywhere they will be having some exceptional cases. Therefore, we can say that melting point of the group 13 elements, when we are dealing with respect to this one, they are going to be decreases. Melting point are going to be decreases down the group. Therefore, boron has maximum. When they are going to be decreases down the group, melting point is going to be decreases down the group. That's why we can consider the maximum as for boron. We know very well that in the group 13 elements, when we are moving down, atomic size are going to be increases, but the metallic character, as we said that, with respect to the melting point, down the group, boron has the highest, but the gallium is having least. You know that in the summer it can be present as a liquid at room temperature. Therefore, the correct answer is third option. Third option is correct. It will be minimum. Next question. Question number 49. Which of the statement is incorrect, they are asking. What they are asking, children, over here? They are asking the question that which of the option will be incorrect. They are asking the question related with incorrect option. Amongst the four options, which option is wrong? They are asking that which option is not related with group 14 elements. Which option is not related with group 14 elements. Therefore, when we are dealing with this one, let us read the one by one option over here. Silicon or polymeric organosilicon compound. Organosilicon compound means what? Silicon can be bounded with carbon. Okay. Next one. SiF4 has tetrahedral shape. It has what? A tetrahedral shape. Yes. According to this one, the point they are asking to calculate to find out, that is the wrong answer. The second point is correct. But the third point they said that Pb2 plus is less stable than Sn2 plus. Sn2 plus. Just to observe over here, the wrong option amongst the four is third one. Then the fourth, they said that magnesium carbide it is. This name is what? Magnesium carbide. Magnesium carbide is a type of what? It is a type of allyl of the compound. This is also correct answer. Amongst the four options, we are going to choose the wrong. Therefore, the wrong option is what, children? We are going to write with respect to third option, that is Pb2 plus. Third option, that is in the case of the Pb2 plus is more stable than Sn2 plus. It should be more. It should be more. Therefore, the wrong option is third option. Question number 50. Okay. 50, you see. The statement that are true for the silicates among the following. Question they said that which are true for the silicates. Okay. The first one, each silicon atom has 4 SiO bond. Each silicon atom has, question number 50, each silicon atom has 4 SiO bond arranged tetrahedrally. Next, what they said, each, because of the availability of d orbital in silicon, water molecule can coordinate. Because of the availability of d orbital in the silicon, the water molecule can be coordinate over there with the silicon to bring about hydrolysis most readily. Okay, we can say that most readily. Yes. Next, silicon, when we are treating with the bond, they are the strong, hence silicate are inert at high melting point. First, we'll read all the point, then we'll decide. Each oxygen atom in SiO2 is shared by 4 silicon. It should be 2. It should be what? 2. Therefore, when we are reading the question, you can see that each silicon atom has 4 SiO bond arranged tetrahedrally. When they are arranged tetrahedrally, that is SiO. How we are going to arrange, children? Si with O and the Si, they are going to be arranged tetrahedrally. Read the question properly. They are asking that they are going to be arranged tetrahedrally. Yes, the first point related to this one, the concept is correct. But the second point you can see, because of the availability of d orbital in the silicon, we know very well that down the group, availability of d orbital will start. That's why the second point is wrong. You come to this one, the third point, they said that when they are saying that with respect to the silicon, SiO bond are strong, hence silica is inert. Yes, third point also correct. Fourth point is wrong. Therefore, question number 50, the correct answer is first and 3 statement. First and third statement are right. These 2 statements are wrong. So option, they said that they may be 1, 2, 4, they may be 1, 3, 4, they may be 1, 3 or all 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence, the correct answer is what, children? 1 and 3. 1 and 3 are the correct answer. Question number 51.
Question number 51, again it is related with silicate. They said that one that represent the bond present in silicon. 51, they said that which is the bond present already in the earlier question as I have represented. With respect to that also, we can make the option it as SiO-Si. They are arranged tetrahedrally. In the earlier question we said, as we said in the earlier question that SiO bond are strong, hence silica is inert. Even we said according to the first point that each silicon atom has 4 SiO bond. That's why the correct answer is third answer. Correct answer is third answer, silicon carbon family. This is the one of the important part of the which are we need to concentrate maximum for the exam. Next one, the purification method for the for which method? Purification of method of bauxite. Bauxite is the method for the purification of aluminium. Aluminium purification can be done by which method? By bauxite, by using bauxite, and method is known as Bayer's process. It is called as what? Bayer's process. Therefore, we can say that the method is Bayer's process, which is used to purify aluminium by bauxite method. Okay, sorry, by aluminium by Bayer's process using bauxite as the, we can say that the constituent element like the aluminium are going to be purified. Therefore, question number 52, the correct answer is third one. Correct answer is third one. 53. Question number 53, we said when X are going to react with aqueous NaOH solution, X is going to react with aqueous NaOH solution to form Y and hydrogen gas. Y and hydrogen gas. It means that X is something which is going to be react with what? NaOH solution, which is going to react with NaOH solution to liberate hydrogen gas. Further, what they said, aqueous solution of this Y. Aqueous solution of Y is heated to 323 to 333 Kelvin, and on passing carbon dioxide gas, it means that aqueous solution must be basic because carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. Further, into it, then it will form sodium carbonate and Z were formed. Further, when Z is heated, we are going to get alumina, Al2O3. We know very well that aluminium is a active metal. Okay, it can liberate hydrogen gas when treated with sodium hydroxide solution. It can treat it with, even this test we have done it as confirmatory test for aluminium. You may be remembering, children, when the salt solution are treated with a few drops of NaOH solution, first we'll get white gelatinous PPT. Further, you add a few more drops of NaOH solution, we'll get a clear solution. We'll get what? A clear solution. What does it indicates? That confirmatory test for aluminium. It shows the confirmatory test for aluminium. That's why whenever we are going to treat the aluminium metal with sodium hydroxide, it will liberate the gas as hydrogen gas. Because aluminium is having SRP value negative along with sodium aluminate as NaAlO2. As a NaAlO2, H2 along with Y they said. So it means that this is X, this is a Y. Yes or no? This is X, this is a Y. Further, they have continued the sentence that aqueous solution of Y, when we are taking the NaAlO2 in aqueous medium, sodium aluminate, we are going to take it in aqueous medium. Further, what they said, by passing carbon dioxide gas. When they are passing the carbon dioxide gas, they are going to form sodium carbonate. Because what I said, base must be aluminium, this one, aluminate compound is basic in nature. They combine with carbon dioxide in aqueous medium. In aqueous medium, they are going to form what? Sodium carbonate. 1 minute. They are going to form sodium carbonate. That's why NaOO2 plus H2 and the CO2 are going to form what? Na2CO3 along with sodium carbonate are formed along with aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide. Further, you read the sentence. By heating aluminium hydroxide, what happened? It loses water molecule to form alumina, Al2O3. It will form what? Al2O3. That's why whenever we are writing such question, always you need to concentrate that what we are going to identify over here. We are going to identify, we got that X is Al, then Y is what? NaAlO2, and the Z we are going to get it as aluminium hydroxide. Aluminium hydroxide will be obtained as a white gelatinous PPT. White gelatinous PPT. Therefore, question number 53, the correct answer is fourth option. Aluminium is X and this is Y and this is Z. Because they said that metal atom liberate hydrogen gas by treating with sodium hydroxide. Further, they said that when we are passing carbon dioxide gas in aqueous medium, they are going to form what? Aluminium hydroxide. By heating aluminium hydroxide are converted into alumina, Al2O3. Next question. Question number 54. Which of the statement is incorrect? Which of the statement is incorrect? They are asking wrong answer. Next, BOH thrice, that is H3BO3, boric acid, H3BO3. Okay, partially reacts with water to form H3O plus and BOH4 minus. Yes, we can say that it is aprotic acid. It is aprotic acid. That's why first point is correct, but they are asking wrong option. We are not going to take. Next, BOH3 behave like a strong monobasic acid in presence of sugar. It is not a strong, it should be weak. That too weak and as well as aprotic acid. Aprotic acid. Therefore, wrong option is second one. Why not third? We'll see. BOH taken thrice does not donate a proton. Does not donate a proton. As I said just now, aprotic acid. Yes, this statement also correct statement. BOH thrice react with NaOH to form what? BOH4 minus. Yes, this is also correct. Minus, where we are going to get a tetrahydroxyborate, where the oxidation state of boron will be what? +3. Therefore, all the points are correct except the second option. When we are deciding the wrong option, better that without reading all the option, don't make the conclusion over there. Just to read all the option, then you can make the conclusion that second point is wrong as per the concept, as it is conceptual question. As we know that it is a weak, that to aprotic acid, H3BO3. Therefore, question number 54, second answer is correct. Second answer is correct means what? They are asking the question related with what? Wrong option. Next question. Aqueous ammonia is used as a precipitate. What they said over here? Aqueous ammonia is used as a precipitating reagent for Al3+, because this question is related with third group basic radical. You may be remembering that in the third group basic radical, we are using salt solution along with ammonium chloride and excess of ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium hydroxide must be excess. They are going to precipitate as aluminium hydroxide as a white gelatinous PPT. Aluminium hydroxide will be precipitated as white gelatinous PPT. White gelatinous PPT. What they are asking the question that aqueous ammonia is used as a precipitating agent. It is going to be used as a precipitating agent. What is the reason over here? They are saying that when we are deciding the answer on the basis of all these, you can see here NH4 plus is a weak base. We cannot say the answer because what I said, we are going to get it as aluminium hydroxide. Even excess of NaOH when you are adding, you are going to get what? Confirmatory test. As I said, aluminium, Al3+, NaOH are going to form a respective complex over here. First, we'll get a white gelatinous PPT as a aluminium hydroxide. Further, precipitate are going to be disappear to form tetrahydroxyaluminate 3. Tetrahydroxyaluminate 3. Therefore, the correct option is third option. This question is related with what? Semi-micro qualitative analysis of inorganic salt. Question number 56. Amongst the halite BCl3, AlCl3, GaCl3 and InCl3. What they are asking? All these are Lewis acid because they are capable to accept one or more lone pair of electron. The order of decreasing Lewis acidic strength, they said. We know very well that down the group, all these points are related with down the group, boron, aluminium, gallium and the indium. Down the group, size increases. Okay, as I said that Lewis base are nothing but the species which are capable to accept one or more lone pair of electron. As the size increases, capability of accepting the electron decreases. Okay, accepting the electron decreases. Accepting electron, that is electron accepting capacity is going to be decreases. That's why when we are going to, with respect to the question number 56, always you need to remember that BCl3 will be strongest, whereas the indium will be least. Because of this reason, therefore we are going to write it as BCl3 greater than AlCl3 greater than GaCl3 greater than InCl3. Therefore, what we should write the reason over here, children? Because all these will come under the same group, 13th group. We are going to identify that which is which are having the more capacity to accept lone pair of electron. Because when we are deciding the Lewis acidic character, according to Lewis acidic character, species which are capable to accept electron acceptor are Lewis acid, electron donor are Lewis base. Therefore, as the size increases, electron accepting capacity is going to be decreases. That's why they are going to write with respect to what? With respect to this one, BCl3 will be strong and InCl3 will be weakest acid amongst the four. Next question. Question number 57. Yes, fluorine is more electronegative. They said the question over here that fluorine is more electronegative than either boron or phosphorus. Yes, this is true. Fluorine is more electronegative than either boron or phosphorus. What conclusion can be drawn? Fact that BF3 has no dipole moment. Yes, BF3 is a non-polar. It is a dipole moment is 0. But PF3 does. That is a phosphorus trifluoride. They are comparing what? BF3 and PF3. BF3, as we said, that dipole moment is 0. When we are considering dipole moment as a 0, it will be a planar triangular. As we know that BF3 is sp2 hybridized. BF3 molecule is what? sp2 hybridized. sp2 hybridized. When we are treating that, it is a sp2 because hybridization, if you'll see, with respect to the BF3, H is equal to half of 3 plus 3 will be equal to 3 only. The hybridization will be corresponding for sp2. They are non-polar. What? BF3 is a non-polar, but they are having what? They are having planar triangular structure. Planar triangular structure. Therefore, amongst BF3 is not spherical, symmetrical, but PF3. This is not the reason. BF3 molecule must be linear. No, based upon hybridization, it must be planar, triangular. Next, the atomic radius. Atomic radius cannot decide. Therefore, the correct option for question number 57 is fourth one. In case of the BF3 molecule, must be a planar triangular because it is a sp2 hybridized. When the dipole moment is 0, it will be a non-polar. It will be non-polar. Question number 58. Which of the following can act as a oxidizing agent? They said that which of the following can act as a oxidizing agent? According to the electronic concept, according to the the redox reaction concept also, we said that whenever any metal atom are losing the electron, they are act as a, the reaction is oxidation, but metal is acting as a reducing agent. Then in the same way, any species which are accepting the electron, the concept is the reaction is reduction, but that species are behaves as a oxidizing agent. Oxidizing agent. Okay, so here they said that whenever we are dealing with the question, this such type of the question, always we should have the clear picture related with the definition. Therefore, in the question number 58, they said that amongst the following, which one will be there? And we know very well that whenever we are dealing with this one, we need to understand even there what with respect to their stability also. So here amongst these, the correct option is TL3 plus, because the TL3 plus, that is the thallium 3 plus, the thallium 3 plus due to inert pair effect. Here I'll write reason. Question what they said, due to, question need to read properly, due to inert pair effect, where we are having in the case of the TL. Okay, so here in the case of this one, what they said, that in the question number 58, due to inert pair effect, TL3 plus is unstable. It can be reduced to TL plus 1. It can be reduced to TL plus 1 by accepting what? By accepting electron. By accepting electron. That's why the answer will be third option. Option will be what? Third option. 59. During Hoops process for the electrolytic refining of what? Aluminium. Electrolytic refining by the Hoops process, the middle layer, because we are going to consider with respect to the electrolytic refining of aluminium. This one will be composed of what? Cryolite and BAF2. The middle layer they are going to consider. When they are going to consider the middle layer, always you need to remember that with respect to this one, when we are dealing with cryolite and the BAF2 will be the middle layer. Cryolite is what? Na3Al-F6. Okay, next question. Question number 60. Which of the following process does not involve a catalyst? No catalyst is needed. Does not involve a catalyst is nothing but what? Which doesn't require any catalyst over there. If we'll see the Haber's process for the manufacture of ammonia, we are going to use iron as a catalyst. Then next one, in the Ostwald process for the manufacture of nitric acid, we are using platinum as a catalyst. In the contact process, vanadized platinum can be used as a catalyst for the manufacture of sulfuric acid. Therefore, the method which is not used because it is a method of extraction, the answer is thermite process. Question number 60. Okay, question number 60 is thermite process. 61. Alum, potash alum. Alum is nothing but what? Even we can pronounce it as, even we can name it as potash alum. It is a example of the double salt potassium sulfate and aluminium sulfate. Okay, potassium sulfate and aluminium sulfate hydrated. Okay, hydrated potassium sulfate and aluminium sulfate, it can be act as a coagulating agent. Have you observed, children? Sometimes in the municipal water, the impurities which can be removed by settling down, impurities can be removed by filtration. Even though some of the impurities will be there which are present along with the water molecule, the particles will be present along with water, which you cannot be removed either by filtration or by settling. That can be done by adding potash alum. That's why potash alum act as a what? Coagulating agent. It can combine with the dirt particle and they are going to form a precipitate, and all the precipitate are going to be settled down. That's why the potash alum is a best coagulating agent. It is a best coagulating agent. That's why whenever we are dealing with such question, always you need to remember that this one more point I want to say, that in the case of this one, potassium, even it can be used as a styptic agent. It is a styptic agent because it is going to be, it can stop the bleeding of the cuts. That's why it can be act as a styptic agent also. That we need to, as for the extra information, we can remember. Question number 62. Okay, question number 62. The element with smallest atomic radius, element with smallest atomic radius and lowest melting point. Just now we said na in the earlier question. Okay, in the earlier question we said that down the group melting point are going to be decreases. Therefore, the correct answer is gallium. That's why whenever we are dealing with such question, always you need to remember across the group or across the period. Okay, atomic radius will be smallest and as well as lowest melting point. Do you know that the gallium is having a radius of 135 picometer? The radius of the gallium is 135 picometer, whereas with respect to the melting point, it will be 303 Kelvin. Parameter need not to remember, but a variation across the period must be known to you. Question number 63. Which of the following statement is correct? What they are asking over here, which of the following statement is correct with respect to property of the element? Okay, with the increase in atomic number in the carbon family. In the carbon family means group 14. Group 14. They are asking that in the question number 63, across the group, that is in the group, how they are going to be, we are going to write with respect to the property with the increase of atomic number. What point is correct with respect to group 13? With respect to group 13. The metallic character decreases. No, metallic character should increase. The stability of +2 oxidation state, what increases? Yes, it is correct. Ionization energy increases. No, because as the atomic size increases, what happened? Ionization energy are going to be decreases. Then atomic size increases. This is also wrong. This is also wrong. The correct option is what? Second option. 64. Which of the following bond has more polar character? We know that A and B can become polar. The bond present between A and B can become polar and non-polar both. It depends upon what factor? It depends upon electronegativity difference. It depends upon electronegativity difference. Okay, difference between what? A and B. A and B. Amongst all, the most electronegative is fluorine. The most electronegative is what, children? Fluorine. That's why when we are dealing with this one, we can say that CF bond is more polar as compared to other bond, because there will be a large difference in electronegativity. When the difference is large, bond will become polar. 65. Which of the following conceivable structure of the CCl4 will have a zero dipole moment? We know very well that in the case of the CCl4 hybridization, if we'll take the hybridization, it will be 4 plus 4 divided by 2. It is a 4 sp3 hybridized. Okay, hybridization V plus M divided by 2. V plus M divided by 2. Therefore, we can say that it will be having regular tetrahedron structure. CCl4 will be having regular tetrahedron structure. Regular tetrahedron structure. That's why we can say that with respect to the hybridization also we can decide. With respect to their shape, we can take it as the fourth option. Question number 66. The oxide which cannot act as a reducing agent. Oxide which cannot act as a reducing agent. Always the reducing agent which shows the increase in oxidation number. Okay, we know very well that amongst these, if you calculate the oxidation state, sulfur dioxide will be plus 4. Okay, this will also be plus 4. This is also plus 4. This will be water. This is also plus 4. Plus 4. That means that carbon cannot expand due to oxidation state, due to unavailability of d orbital. Due to what? Unavailability of d orbital. Therefore, question number 66, we can write the answer it as third one. And the reason we can write it as unavailability of d orbital. The orbitals, valency cannot expand. Valency cannot expand. 67. Quartz, they said. Quartz is what? A crystalline silica. This is a direct question. Nothing to talk. Next, 68. SiO2 is react with the sodium carbonate. SiO2. Okay. SiO2. When it reacts with the sodium carbonate, do you know that silica is what? Acidic in nature. And acidic substance will liberate carbon dioxide gas. Carbon dioxide gas, when they are treated with the sodium carbonate along with Na2SiO3, sodium silicate, along with sodium silicate. Question is related with only the gas. The correct option is third option. The correct option is what? Third option. Next question. 69. Which of the following has no tin? Okay, no tin. Tin should not be present over there. No tin in its composition. Tin symbol is what? Sn. We know very well that the solder will contain what? Lead and tin. Lead and tin. Whereas the bronze contain copper and zinc. Okay, it contain what? Copper and zinc. Whereas the brass, when we are dealing with the brass, sorry, one minute. Here I have written copper and this one. Okay, when we are dealing with what, children? When we are treating with the copper and the zinc, even when we are containing the brass, copper and the tin. Copper and tin. And this will be SnO2. It is treated as tin, or what we can say, tin stone. Therefore, the correct answer is, say, we can take it as third option, that is a brass. Question number 70. Which oxalic acid, when dehydrated by concentrated sulfuric acid, oxalic acid, concentrated sulfuric acid, they are going to lose the water molecule to form carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, and water. It will liberate water, mixture of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. Therefore, the correct option is fourth option. Fourth option, concentrated sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid is act as a dehydrating agent. 71. The metal used for making radiation shield. Radiation shield. Usually the metal used will be lead. Lead doesn't allow. The radiation shield may be alpha, beta, and the gamma. Harmful radiation. Lead doesn't allow. Lead doesn't allow the harmful radiation to come in contact. That's why they are going to use even lead shield. Many of this for the operation purpose, they'll use the shield as a lead which doesn't allow harmful radiation to reach. That's why the question number 71, the correct answer is second option. 72. Which does not exist. If we'll see the oxidation state, that even the SiCl4, when we are dealing with the SiCl4, whose oxidation state is what, children? We are going to take with respect to this one, that when we are dealing with the such question, we are going to take it as Si plus 4. This will be plus 4. Okay? Plus 4 and the plus 4 oxidation state. That's why second and third, both the answer we can consider. Question number 73. Which among the following, like a methane, then the silane, silicon tetrahydride, then germanium with respect to the 10, the most volatile. We know very well that volatile nature depends upon molecular mass. Molecular mass, because as we'll say that as the molecular mass increases, their volatile nature are going to be decreases. Therefore, amongst all these, the lowest will be methane. Question number 73, the correct answer is first one. Question number 73, the correct answer is first one, based upon molecular mass, and the methane has low molecular mass. Methane has what? Low as compared to second, third, and the fourth option. Therefore, question number 73, the correct answer is first one. 74. Carbogen. Okay, what is a carbogen? They want to ask the composition of carbogen. When we are treating with when we are considering the carbogen, it should be the mixture of carbon dioxide and oxygen. It is the mixture of carbon dioxide and oxygen. 75. In graphite, okay, graphite and the diamond both are the allotropes of carbon. Have you remembered, children? In the case of the graphite, the hybridization is sp2, whereas the diamond is sp3. Graphite is a good conductor of electricity. Diamond is a bad conductor of electricity. Graphite is having layered structure. Come to the point. Diamond is having what? Like the fixed, like when we are going to cut, have you observed that it will be graphite are used as a lubricant, but the diamond is the hardest element which is used for cutting the diamond. When we'll come for this one, we said that in graphite electrons are localized on every third carbon atom, present in antibonding molecular orbital, localized in each carbon atom, spread out between the structure. What I said, they are having layered structure. Even the graphite is used as a what? It is used as, it is used in lubricants. sp2 hybridized, good conductor. All these reason, all these points, they said that they contain an electron cloud, that is delocalized electron cloud, which allows the what passage or the conduction of electricity. Question number 76. Okay. In carbon monoxide molecule, question number 76. In carbon monoxide molecule, when we are dealing with the carbon monoxide molecule, C double bond C. They are containing sigma bond also. They are containing pi bond also. Sigma and pi bond. Sigma and pi bond both are present over there. Okay. That's why we can say that sigma as well as pi bond. Question number 77. Which one of the following compound is not a protonic acid? Already we said, na? Yes, H3BO3 is not a protonic acid. If you write the formula, just to write the formula for all, it will be H3BO3. Yes. Okay. This will be what? H3PO4, phosphoric acid. This will be what? H2SO4. And this is H2SO4, H2SO3. And SO4. Okay, aprotic acid is what? First option. Therefore, question number 77, first answer is correct. 78. The correct order regarding the electronegativity of hybrid orbital. When we are dealing with the hybrid orbital, always you can remember that percentage of S character will be directly proportional to electronegativity. Electronegativity. Therefore, in the case of SP, SP2 and SP3, amongst all, the highest character is exhibited by SP, which is around 50%. 50%, 33.3% and 25%. It will be 50%, it will be 33.33 something percent, it will be 25%. Therefore, SP is greater than SP2 than SP3. Okay, than SP3. Next, question number 79. Which of the following oxidation state are most characteristics of water, lead and tin respectively? They are going to consider what? Lead and tin, most of the oxidation state, because the question is related with water. Most characteristic means question is related with respect to stability also. Therefore, when we are dealing with such thing, we can write the answer it as +2 and +4. 80. The stability of +1 oxidation state. What they said? The stability of +1 oxidation state are going to be increases in the sequence. What oxidation state they said? +1. +1. That means that when they are dealing with the +1 oxidation state, the simple reason we can write with respect to what, children? We can write with respect to, that is group 13. All these are related with what? Group 13 elements. Group 13 element will show oxidation state as +1 and +3. Okay, we'll consider one point over here. Group 13 elements will show +1 and +3. The stability lower oxidation state. Okay, always we can remember here stability for lower oxidation state. When we are dealing with the group 13 elements like the boron family, NS2NP1 electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is what? NS2NP1. That's why when we are moving down the group, we are observing what? Stability of lower oxidation state. Stability of what? Lower oxidation state. That's why in the question number, this one, if we'll see all this one, it will be fourth option. We'll write it as +1, +1, because question is related with +1 oxidation state. 81. Which one of the following molecular hydride can act as a Lewis acid? So it means that central element must be a need of electron. They are capable of accepting the electron. The answer is diborane, BH3 twice. BH3 twice, that is a diborane, B2H6. Question number 82. Aluminium can be extracted from alumina by electrolytic method. Already we said that the Hoops process is the method by which we are going to extract the alumina. What they said over here, what we are going to use in this one, we are going to use it as what? Here we are going to use it as alumina along with cryolite, along with fluorspar. Fluorspar. This is a cryolite. Alumina. Okay. Therefore, the correct answer is third option. Third option. 83. Which of the following statement is incorrect? They are asking. Which of the following statement is incorrect? What we said? Pure sodium metal dissolved in liquid ammonia to give a blue solution. They are asking wrong option. They are not asking, because when a pure sodium metal, because ammonia can be act as a neutral ligand, it can form a complex. Therefore, question number 83, when what we said that whenever we are dealing with water, pure sodium metal dissolved in liquid ammonia to give a blue solution, yes, it is correct. NaOH react with glass to form a sodium silicate, yes, this is also correct. Further, we said that aluminium react with excess of NaOH. No, when it reacts with excess of NaOH, it will form OH4 minus. Correct? That's why we can say that whenever we are dealing with such question, first try to write a complete answer over there. Therefore, the wrong option amongst all is third one. 84. Which of the following is amphoteric? Amphoteric means what? It can act as acidic and as well as basic. If we'll see over here, carbon dioxide is acidic in nature. SiO2 also acidic in nature. Calcium oxide is basic in nature. Yes. Left out is what? SnO2. Left out is what? SnO2. Now the question arises that when we are saying that SnO2 can act as an amphoteric substance. It can act as an amphoteric substance. It means that it can combine with acid. SnO2 can combine with acid also. It can combine with base also. When it is going to combine with acid, they are going to form SnCl2. Okay, it can combine with acid when it acts as a base. Even SnO2, when reacts with a base, remember here, it can act as a acid also, it can act as a base also. At that time, it can form sodium stannate, that is Na2SnO3. That means that here it can act as a acid. Either it can act as a base, it can act as acid, therefore it is a amphoteric in nature. By knowing these three options, directly we can take the answer, because carbon dioxide and silica, most this one familiar to us as a acidic oxide. Calcium oxide is basic in nature. 85. Which of the following compound is used as a abrasive? Remember here, amongst all, the hardest element is silicon carbide. That's why it is used as abrasive. Question number 86. Chemically, zeolites are what? Hydrated aluminosilicate. Hydrated aluminosilicate are zeolite. Next, which of the following? Question number 87. 87, we said that which of the following element, when we are dealing with this one, we said that which of the allotropy, allotropes, which are having the same chemical properties but physical properties will be different, which are possible. All these are carbon, silicon, carbon, tin, silicon and lead. They are asking the question that which element does not exhibit allotrope. It means that they are going to be exist alone. They are going to be exist only in the one form. That's why when we are dealing with this one, we can have you observed that carbon can show allotrope. We need not to consider. Even in the tin and silicon also will show. The correct answer is lead. Lead cannot show allotrope. Allotropes. Okay. Next. 88. which has peroxide linkage. Yes, we know very well that peroxide linkage is present over here because when they are dissolved in water, they are going to produce sodium hydroxide along with the formation of H2O2. Along with the formation of water, H2O2, therefore the peroxide linkage is present. 89. Which is correct? Okay, sorry, which is not correct? They are asking the question. It means that they are asking the question related with the wrong option. The question number 89, what they said that is hydroxide of germanium is amphoteric. Yes, it is a non-metal, it is a amphoteric in nature. G plus 2 is more stable. This point is wrong because it must be GE plus 4 must be more than GE plus 2. Therefore, the wrong option is second option. They are asking wrong option over here. Therefore, question number 89, the wrong option is second. Last question. Lethargy. Lethargy is actually what? A red form of PbO. It is called as litharge. But we are what they said that litharge is not commonly used. It is not commonly used in lead storage battery because lead storage batteries contain PbO2. It contain what? PbO2. Just to observe over here, this is a +2 oxidation state and this is +4. Okay, this completes today's exam paper, children. If any doubt, anything are there, you can post in the WhatsApp group. Thank you, one and all.